Good morning, children. Welcome to our maths class. I am your teacher Aarti Pathak. In the previous class, I have explained about the rules of writing Roman numerals. Today I am going to explain you how to convert Hindu Arabic numeral into Roman numerals. Let's see some examples. Before we start our today's class, children always remember I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500, M stands for 1000. Now here you have seen one chart. With the help of this chart, you are able to convert Hindu Arabic into Roman and Roman into Hindu Arabic numerals very easily. Now start with 1 stands for I, 2 for II, 3 for III, 4 is for IV, 5 is for V, 6 is for VI, 7 stands for VII, 8 stands for VIII, 9 stands for IX, 10 stands for X. Now question, convert Hindu Arabic numeral into Roman numerals. First example is 38. 38 can be written as 30 plus 8. अब हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे कि जितने भी जो हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर्स हैं उन्हें हम इस तरीके से एक्सपांड करेंगे कि हम इन्हीं नंबर्स को यूज़ करेंगे. सो 30 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 10 प्लस 10 प्लस 10. और 8 को हम किसकी हेल्प से लिख सकते हैं? 5 और 1 की हेल्प से. 5 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1. अब आप सबको याद है रूल नंबर 1, IXCM कैन बी रिपीटेड 3 टाइम. तो यहाँ हमने इसको 3 टाइम रिपीट कर दिया. अब 10 स्टैंड्स फॉर X, सो X X X. 5 स्टैंड्स फॉर V, 1 1 1, सो I. So what is the Roman numeral for 38? X X X VII. Now understand the second example, 99. 99 is written as 90 plus 9. अब आपके मन में ये प्रश्न है कि अब 90 को हम एक्सपांड कैसे करेंगे? तो हमें इन्हीं नंबर्स की हेल्प लेना है. तो हमने 90 को कैसे एक्सपांड कर दिया? 50, और 50 के बाद मुझे 10 को कितनी बार लेना पड़ रहा है? 4 टाइम्स. अब यहाँ पर 9 को करेंगे जैसे हमने 8 को करा था, 5 और 4 टाइम 1. तो क्या ये जो मैंने अभी करा है, इज दिस अ राइट वे? नो, इट इज़ अ रॉन्ग वे. अब अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पर इस तरीके से लिख देती हूँ तो 50 स्टैंड्स फॉर L. अब यहाँ पर ये 4 टाइम X, ये 4 टाइम X हो गया. 5 स्टैंड्स फॉर V और ये 4 टाइम I हो गया. अब आप देखिए, दिस इज नॉट अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल नंबर 1. I and X and C and M, they will repeat only 3 time, not the 4 time. So this is the wrong way to write this answer. Then what is the correct way? I will explain. See, 90 को हम किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं? 100 minus 10 is also 90. Now 10 stands for X and 100 stands for C. Whenever minus sign is there, subtraction, according to the subtraction rule, this lower symbol or smaller number comes at the left side of the higher number. That means XC. Understand? 90 means 100 minus 10 and this is lower number, so it comes at the left side, so XC. Similarly for the 9, 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 stands for X, 1 stands for I. I is a lower number, smaller number, so for according to the subtraction rule, I comes before the X. So IX stands for 9. So what is the correct answer for 99? XC IX. Now understand the example number 3. Third question is 375 is written as 300 plus 70 plus 5. अब इस 300 को हम किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं रोमन में? 300 can be written as with the help of 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is 300. 70 को हम किसकी हेल्प से लिख सकते हैं? 50 and 10. तो 50 plus 10 is 60 plus 10 is 70. और ये 5 हो गया. अब हमारे पास ये सारे रोमन जो हिंदू अरेबिक नंबर्स हैं ये वाले आ गए. अब हम इनके रोमन नंबर्स लिखेंगे. 100 stands for C, C, C. 50 stands for L, 10 stands for X, 10 stands for X, 5 stands for V. So for 375 our answer is C, 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 L, X, X, V. Now understand the Fourth example. Question number 4 is 546 can be written as 500 plus 40 plus 6. अब हम इसको देखते हैं कि हम इसको हिंदू अरेबिक में कैसे स्प्लिट करते हैं. तो 500 तो हमें पता है कि यहाँ पर है हमारे पास. अब हम देखेंगे 40 हम किसकी हेल्प से लिखेंगे? 50 एंड 10 की. अब हम यहाँ फिर से देख रहे हैं, लेट्स सी, 50 minus 10 is 40. So again subtraction is there. That means again according to the rule number 3, subtraction rule, this is the lower number x and this is the larger number. So whenever subtraction is there, this smaller number comes at the left side. So for the 40 it is XL. Clear? For 6 we can write 5 plus 1, again addition rule. So 5 for the 500 we are writing D. For the 40 we can write XL, and for 5 V and for 1 I. So for the answer of 546, D XL VI. Now understand question number 5. Fifth question is 883 can be written as 800 plus 80 plus 3. अब इस 800 को हम कैसे एक्सपांड कर सकते हैं? We can take help of 500 and 100. 100 comes 3 times. इस 100 को हम 3 times ले सकते हैं. तो 500 plus 100 is 6 plus 100 is 700 plus 100 is 800. तो 800 can be written as like that. Now come to 80. 80 को हम किसकी हेल्प से करेंगे? 50 and 10. 10 also comes 3 times. 10 को भी हम 3 times लिख सकते हैं. तो 50, 60, 70 and 80. So 80 can be written like that. 3 as it is, because we know 3 is written as III. So for 883 we can write the answer in this way. 500 is for D. 500 is for D. 100 3 times. So C. 50 L. 3 times X. And 3 stands for III. So our answer is DCCC LXXX III. I hope you understood this question. Now the last question is 1074 can be written as 1000 plus 70 plus 4. 1000 we know there is an symbol M we can use. For the 70 we use 50 and 2 times 10. 50 and 2 times 10 is 70. For the 4 we again use 5 and 1. We do the subtraction here. 5 minus 1 is 4. Again according to the subtraction rule, 1 stands for I and 5 stands for V. This lower or the smaller number can comes at the right side of the bigger number. That means IV stands for 4. IV stands for 4. So our answer is 1000 M, 50 L, XX is double time X and IV stands for 4. So 1074 can be written as MLXXIV. Always remember, in 4 and 9 only the subtraction rule we can follow. In others number we are following the addition rule. So 4 stands for IV and 9 stands for IX. Children, do practice with some other numbers. I hope you understood the concept how to convert Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next class.